How is Northern Europe defined geographically? Have you ever wondered what makes Northern Europe so unique? Let's take a closer look at how this region is defined geographically. Northern Europe is generally seen as the northern part of the European continent. It includes several countries that share geographical, cultural, and historical traits. From the Scandinavian perspective, the heart of Northern Europe is the Scandinavian Peninsula. This area consists mainly of Norway and Sweden, with a small part of northwestern Finland also included. The Scandinavian Peninsula is bordered by the Norwegian Sea to the west, the Barents Sea to the north, and the Gulf of Bothnia and the Baltic Sea to the east. It extends southward towards Denmark. Speaking of Denmark, it is located just south of the Scandinavian Peninsula. Denmark includes the Jutland Peninsula and many islands. The landscape here is mostly flat, featuring sandy coasts and fertile land. This makes it a natural connection between Scandinavia and the rest of continental Europe. Next, we have Finland, which lies to the east of Sweden. While Finland is often grouped with Scandinavia as part of the Nordic countries, it has its own distinct geographic features. The country is known for its vast forests, numerous lakes, and relatively flat terrain, with some moderate relief near large lakes. Iceland and the Faroe Islands are also part of Northern Europe, even though they are geographically more isolated in the North Atlantic. These islands add to the diversity of the region. Northern Europe is characterized by a variety of landscapes. The Scandinavian Mountains dominate Norway and parts of Sweden. These mountains feature rugged terrain and deep fjords that were carved by glaciation during the last ice age. You will also find extensive boreal forests, numerous lakes, and tundra areas, especially in the northern parts of the region. In Denmark and southern Sweden, the terrain is mostly flat to gently rolling. The coastal areas along the North Atlantic, Norwegian Sea, Baltic Sea, and Arctic Ocean are also notable features of this region. Interestingly, parts of Northern Europe lie within the Arctic Circle, particularly in northern Norway, Sweden, and Finland. This geographic location influences the climate and daylight patterns, creating unique seasonal experiences. From a Scandinavian viewpoint, Northern Europe often refers to the Scandinavian Peninsula and its immediate neighbors. This highlights shared cultural heritage, languages, and historical ties. However, the broader definition of Northern Europe includes other countries and territories that share similar northern latitudes and climatic conditions. This geographical definition plays a role in transportation, trade, and cultural exchange. The Baltic Sea and surrounding waterways connect these countries, facilitating movement and interaction. The varied terrain also affects settlement patterns and economic activities like fishing, forestry, and tourism. Each of these elements shapes the distinct identities found within Northern Europe.